Speaking about the workplace policy today, Minister of Legal Affairs and Labour Elvin Nimrod and Minister of Health Nicholas Steele expressed their satisfaction in the crafting of the policy and its ability to bring about a normal lifestyle to victims of discrimination.
This policy addresses any stigma or discrimination, make sure that it does not go unchecked, that there are guidelines to be followed. I would expect that by the attendance here today, that there is full support. There are certain private sector companies that have already implemented a policy in this regard, and the government is today launching its national policy on that.
Minister Nimrod believes that as a society, it is time to move forward from such discrimination, leaving it in the past where it belongs.
As a responsible government, as a responsible nation, we cannot afford to scorn or to discriminate or to ignore those among us who wasn't fortunate enough to catch a disease. When tuberculosis was a deadly disease, and people would be so scornful of persons affected, they wouldn't pass close to a person affected with tuberculosis. Of course, today is different. And let us hope that one day, of course, the people suffering with AIDS would be at the same level in terms of acceptability by society.
Minister Steele says the improved policy addressed basic human rights and warned what unchecked discrimination can lead to.
We have basic human rights enshrined in our Constitution. We have human rights and equality also in the Labor Code. This policy on HIV and AIDS seeks to ensure that HIV and AIDS infected and affected persons are incorporated in that.
Also present was the Permanent Secretary of Labour, Mrs. Salian Bagwan Logi, who elaborated on the revision to the workplace.
HIV and AIDS is an illness like any other and should be treated like that. So the policy was in the spirit of tripartism. There were members of the trade unions, there were members of the Employers Federation.
Don't ask, don't tell policies were also suggested to be adopted by employers. Discrimination violations can carry a $10,000 fine. This has been Brandon Brathwaite reporting for GBN News.